Did you know it's really quick and easy to add a copy to clipboard button to your Bubble app? And I'm going to show you how using the Air Copy to Clipboard plugin by Zeroqode. So let's dive into design, and I've got an input here with some initial content, which is a link to one of our YouTube videos, and that's a classic example of how you might want to copy to clipboard. You're sharing a link with your users. So first of all, I'm going to add in an icon and choose the copy icon. And then, like most plugins, I have to add the element to the page in order for the right scripts and the library to load in. So I'm going to add in the copy to clipboard element to the page. And although it shows in the editor here, you basically can just hide this anywhere on your page. Just put it somewhere it's not going to be noticed. Text to copy, I can choose my multi-line input. And then I just add an action. And I can say copy from static text, and I choose my multi-line input again. So let's test this. So there's my URL. I'm going to copy the clipboard and then I'm going to paste into here, and you can see it takes us to one of our YouTube videos. So there you have it, very quick and easy way to save your users time by adding a copy to clipboard button to your Bubble app.